organizations face continuing pressure to gather and manipulate data in meaningful ways for business users to derive actionable and consistent insights. Data is usually extracted into Excel and presented in various ways, often leading to ambiguity. The inability to share information efficiently and securely presents barriers to collaboration and confidence in the data. The challenge is to establish the right foundations early. At Fujitsu Data and AI, we recognize this, so we developed a Power BI Accelerator to ensure the end-user experience is consistent, secure, fast, and intuitive. Fujitsu Data and AI's approach to solving this challenge is based on evidence-based leading practices and research to enable organizations to rapidly establish dashboards that have visualization design and development guidelines, governance, collaboration, and security practices. These build confidence and trust in their reporting platform. The Power BI Accelerator will bring value to the business through well-designed intuitive reports and dashboards, improved accuracy in results, single source of truth, enhanced data security through the provision of governance, role definition, and process clarity, quick user adoption and self-serve reporting, reduced demand on IT to provide data extracts, more effective collaboration.